Starting to the side now, teasing, starting from the bottom going up, root to end. The other side. Now I'm teasing the whole hair because I need to have a lot of fullness in the hair before I style. Now after I tease the whole thing, I'm going to spray it